In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your TV remote app on your Android smartphone. So if you are using a remote app for your TV, but all of a sudden it fails to work, then let me show how you can solve or how you can troubleshoot and then get it back to work. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this tutorial should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, as you can see, the remote TV we want to troubleshoot is here. And yours might be different from this, but it's still okay. So the first thing to do is to access the information page of this remote TV. You can easily do that by going to settings. And then under settings, look for the option called apps. And then here, tap on the option called manage apps. So this will highlight all the apps you have on your smartphone. And then go ahead and scroll down until you see your app. And here is my TV remote app. So go ahead and tap on it. And you can see now we have access to this app's information page. Alternatively, if this seems to be a long way, let me show you the shortcut. Now, while on your app here, you can just go ahead and long press on it. And then you'll see an option called here App Info. If you tap on it, we shall still be able to get or to access the app information page, which is this. Now, one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because of a lot of accumulated data, and we want to go ahead and clear this data. So we have an option to clear data here. But first, if I go to storage here, you can see we have quite a number of options. We have user data and then cache data. So the first problem might be this cache data. If you have a lot of cache data on your app, this might cause your app to malfunction. So you want to go ahead and clear this cache data. And to do so, just tap on this clear data option here. So if you tap on this, you can see we have an option to clear either all the data or clear cache. So if we clear all the data, we shall lose our configuration. We shall have again to go ahead and configure our TV first. So don't clear all the data. Just go ahead and clear cache and then tap on OK. And then now restart your smartphone. And once you restart your smartphone, go ahead and tap on the app and open it and see if it connects or if it reads your TV. So that's the first way you can troubleshoot your TV app. Now, so if that didn't solve your problem, then you might need to go ahead and take the next step. And the next step is going through Play Store and then look for any update. So tap on it and then search for your app here. And mine is here, Universal TV Remote Control. I'll go ahead and tap on it. So under this, check if you have a new version of your app. So if there is one, go ahead and update your app to the latest version. So this should solve most of the problem that you are having with the app. And at this point now, go ahead and tap on open, and then your app now should start working. So at this point, everything should be okay. But if you still have a challenge with your app, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall it and then install it afresh on your smartphone and then try running it. So by trying any of these, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix any errors or solve any problem with your TV remote app. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.